Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to see what we can do with this little dresser. I traded a piece of furniture for it a while back. I had a good feeling about this piece because it's pretty heavy and it's really well made. It's a super solid piece of furniture. It just needs a little updating, I think. I wanted to see what was underneath this paint, which, by the way, was really well done. So let's get into it. We removed these old wooden knobs and filled those holes with wood filler because we're going to put new drawer pulls on it. We stripped these drawers twice. Like I said earlier, whoever did this paint job did a really good job. It was very difficult. 2 strips, we scraped and sanded everything. I wanted to do the entire piece, but after doing the drawers, we decided that we weren't going to go through with stripping the entire dresser. We applied 5 coats of polyacrylic to the drawers and lightly sanded in between each coat. So I'm making a new base for this dresser, and right here I made a little bit of a mistake. I'm cutting 4 legs for this base, and I shouldn't have done that right away. The 2 front legs are going to have angles cut in them, so I should have cut those angles first. Cut an angle, then cut that leg off, cut an angle, then cut that leg off. So I had more wood to hold on to as I'm cutting that angle, but I didn't do that. As you can see right here, my fingers are way too close to that blade. An accident. I should have done it the other way. I sanded all the pieces with 220 grit sandpaper. We stained it to match the drawers, and this got 5 coats of polyacrylic as well. I'm using 80 grit sandpaper to sand the body of the dresser. Here we made another mistake. We put a coat of paint on this before priming. We forgot to prime. It was see-through and it wasn't covering, so we had to go back over it with primer. We did one coat of primer, sanded it with 220 grit sandpaper, and then moved back on to the paint. The paint is Pittsburgh brand metallic paint in gold. It's our first time using this. We thought it looked really cool, so we wanted to test it out on this dresser. We did 2 coats of paint. We sanded in between with 320 grit sandpaper. Then we did a 3rd coat with a foam roller for texture. It's the first time doing this. We weren't very sure how to go about doing it, but I think it looks pretty good at the end. The issue we had with this was seeing these overlap lines. We didn't want that, but once it dried, you can't tell that those are there. Right here, I'm just attaching the base to the bottom of the dresser. After this, the project's done. So let's get to the before and afters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.